Hello and welcome to the channel At Ease No Media. This is the third episode where we will be discussing about media management, and the topic is dual economy in newspaper organization. Keep watching. So today's topic of discussion is dual economy in newspaper organizations. The key points are the meaning of dual economy, the concept, the advertising versus circulation. The main aspect of dual economy is advertising and circulation. Next comes the circulation and readership. Next, what is the need of money in newspaper industry? We have known that predominantly news is free of cost, but there is some specific requirement of money in newspaper organization. And lastly, the factors determining the circulation. So let's get started. The meaning: a dual economy is the existence of two separate economic sectors within one country. So when it comes to media, dual economy in newspaper organization is nothing but the circulation department and the advertisement department. The relationship between the circulation and advertisement department is dealt in dual economy in newspaper organizations. The next point is that divided by different levels of development, technology and different patterns of demand. That means newspaper organizations, the two separate economy in one country. For example, the advertisement and circulation both are going hand in hand in terms of their development, their technology and their patterns of demand. How the newspapers are circulating among the masses, how people are gathering the news, how they are using the news, how they are taking the news and implementing it in their day-to-day activities. Now let's dig a little deeper into the concept of this dual economy. As we know that dual economy is newspaper is nothing but circulation and advertisement. Both circulation and advertisements are positively proportionate because circulation and advertisement goes hand in hand. Because if a newspaper organization is earning their revenue only with the help of advertisement, and if there is not enough circulation, the advertisers will lose their interest in advertising their products into that particular newspaper. So to put it straight, advertisement and circulation goes hand in hand. Now newspaper derives their revenue from two sources, advertisements and circulations. So both are the same thing of two coins. The concept was originally created by Julius Hermann Bochet, who was a Dutch economist and lawyer. Now let's keep circulation aside. Advertising provides 75 to 80% of the total revenue, while circulation only accounts 20 to 25%. Now, as the statistics mentioned over here, advertisement plays a major role. So, advertisement department is the most important department of a newspaper industry. So, how the advertising agency earns, how the advertising make money out of it. There can be three broad examples, that is display advertising, local or casual advertising and classified advertising. This is how they make money out of it. On the other hand, newspaper circulation is the number of copies it distributes on an average day. One of the principal factors used to set advertising rates. As we know that TRP, television rating point, determines the rate of advertisement in television. Similarly, who determines the rate of advertisement in newspaper or print media? It's the circulation department, and it's fixed the rate of print media. So circulation and readership is not same. There is an assumption that a typical copy of newspaper is read by more than one person. This is the reason it is not a single use product. That means a particular newspaper is read by one and many. Thus, circulation promotes sales, advertisement promotes space. So both is a important aspect in newspaper department. Now, the need of money in newspaper industry. We know that predominantly news were free, but what is the need of money in news agency? To run the show, the newspaper agencies needs money because there is a specific printing cost involved in it, the regulation cost and the operational cost, the person who are involved in printing the newspapers. So circulation promotes sales, whereas advertising promotes space. Both goes hand in hand. So predominantly newspaper was free, but there is a need of money in newspaper industries. Now, newspaper advertising is usually sold by the publishers on a run of paper basis, that is ROP, which means advertisement will be placed in the position of the newspaper that is most suitable and satisfactory to the publishers. However, certain advertisers also prefer special position of advertisement. That means the ROP basis, the newspaper decides the space of advertisements, but some advertisers prefer special position, the prioritized position, so that the newspaper advertisements gets noticed quite easily. So for special position they have to pay more amount of money. It's a extra chargeable unit. The last part is the factor determining circulation, the population. When the population increases, the circulation increases, but there is an exception. When there is some small communities with huge population but the readership is less. Next comes the education. This is the reason why the population is not getting that much circulation, due to education, the enrollment of students, the literacy rate. If in that particular area there is low literacy rate, then the circulation will be hampering. And lastly, the social conditions. If there is no habit of reading newspaper, then the circulation will reduce. Hence, if the circulation reduces, the advertisers also loses interest. So this both circulation and advertising goes hand in hand. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please do subscribe. Please keep supporting. Thank you.